In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly use the ChatGPT Atlas app to brainstorm and generate ideas by exploring different websites. This step-by-step guide will help you harness the power of AI to unlock creative insights and enhance your discovery process. First things first, let's open the ChatGPT Atlas app on your device. This app is designed to integrate artificial intelligence into your browsing experience, allowing you to interact with content in a novel way. So, launch the app and get ready to delve into its capabilities. Once you have the app up and running, our next move is to head straight to a website. For this example, let's visit the Blue Bottle Coffee website. You can choose any other site you are interested in. But remember, the more engaging the content, the richer the ideas you might generate. If you've got the website loaded up, let's move on to the next step. Now, look towards the side of your screen. You'll want to locate the sidebar feature designated for ChatGPT. It's usually well marked and should say something along the lines of Ask ChatGPT. This sidebar is your direct line to AI's inventive suggestions, where all the magic happens. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it to bring up the query input box. With the input box open, it's time to craft your prompt. This is where you ask ChatGPT to dig into the website and extract insightful ideas that you might not have considered. For our demonstration, a good starting prompt might be, what ideas can I get from this website? This prompt is intentionally open-ended to encourage broad and creative responses. Feel free to tailor your question based on specific interests or areas you're curious about. After crafting your prompt, the next step is straightforward. Click Submit. Once you hit that Submit button, give ChatGPT a moment. It'll analyze the website content and synthesize information to provide you with innovative suggestions. It's that simple. From here, you can read through the response, reflect on the ideas presented, and decide which ones inspire you or align with your goals. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to leverage AI for capturing inspiration and tapping into creativity you might not have accessed otherwise. In summary, opening the ChatGPT Atlas app, visiting a site like Blue Bottle Coffee, utilizing the Ask ChatGPT feature, crafting a thoughtful prompt, and submitting it is all it takes. This process not only enhances your interaction with digital content, but also paves the way for new ideas and endless possibilities. Be sure to try it out, experiment with different websites, and see what novel insights you can uncover. Thank you for joining us today, and happy exploring.